You don't want him to do that.
Oh, why are you recording this?
The funniest home videos.
He's like, you don't want to mess.
You're being a little bit brave.
You don't want.
No, let him go over to her.
You don't want to mess with me. You don't want to mess with me, little girl. He's like, hello, people.
He's like, what do I do with this thing?
States. I'm saying we should do a Bob Marley banana boat.
Peekaboo!
It's a cat.
Peekaboo! 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 Peekaboo!
I said we should do a Jamaican Bob Marley one.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, the nose.
That cat's gonna slap me, man.
Oh, he scares me.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Oh, they little pigeons.
Peekaboo!
She needs to be scared of him.
Let her go now. Good
Let
girl.
Dad stop.
What's that ear?
I think he's fascinated.
Yeah.
He's like, I got a whole
Okay,
crowd.
now look at the cat.
Now they're opening.
Uh-huh.
You got to be careful.
Yeah.
You know, maybe,
Maria.
with Zoe?
Now the claws are opening.
Is the cat's name Zoe?
No. Now you're pushing it. Stop. Good girl. Good girl.
Good, Rio. You going up to my